Hi, hello friends. Welcome to World Explorer India. Today on 18 May we are celebrating International Museum Day. Hashtags has International Museum Day, has IMD 2021, has the future of museums. Theme of the year is the future of museums, recover and reimagine. Create, imagine and co-creation of value, new business models for cultural institutions and innovative solutions for the social, economic and environmental challenges of the present. International Museum Day is organized by ICOM, that is International Council of Museums, which has played a vital role in preservation, continuation and communication of world's natural and cultural heritage, present and future, tangible and intangible. ICOM is also suggesting professional and ethical standards for the museums, and it is developing the definition of museum and also proposing code of ethics. It also promotes the social role of museums and enhances the capacity building by seminars, workshops, publications and guidelines. Since 1977, International Museum Day is being celebrated to raise the awareness that museums are an important means of cultural exchange, enrichment of cultures, development of mutual understanding, cooperation and peace among peoples. ICOM is working in association with UN Economic and Social Council. The website of this is https://icom.museum. The definition of museum according to ICOM is: a museum is a non-profit permanent institution in the service of society and its development, open to public, which acquires, conserves, researches, communicates and exhibits the tangible and intangible heritage of humanity and its environment for the purpose of education, study and enjoyment. This is definition given by ICOM in the year of 2007, and there is a process of ongoing to change the definition in the year of 2019. Why we should visit the museums? Museums are a powerful asset for the local development, as they are attracting the visitors and generating revenues, and it also provides the employment opportunities for the museum management, conservation and tour guides. It promotes the cultural tourism, reflection and creativity. Museums are the source of education, knowledge and enjoyment. Museums will connect to public by either storytelling and audiovisual tours and sound walks. Art history reflects the country's diversity. Displays make you travel through the times. Interconnected cultures, people, traditions and beliefs contributes to social development. Museums enriches knowledge of new generation. The ways by which museums are generating the revenues is by ticket sales, memberships, books, research publication, periodicals, events, workshops, digital view of museums, discounted hotel rates for the visitors by type of hotels and restaurants, branding of local products like handicrafts, food items, etc., festivals in connection to the museums. This is a pic which I have taken in Gujarat, that is Kutch Museum. In this you can find information such as earthquakes occurred in Gujarat during the last 4 centuries. So museums are preserving some of the information which we cannot even get ready-made. So museums are a rich source of information where you can get all the types of information. And it is also preserving the culture. Our culture is changing day by day, and we have a lot of influence on westernization. So we are losing our traditional ways of culture. So even this type of cultural things are being preserved in the museums, and museums attract international visitors as tourists, so even there is a chance to communicate to the local people. Aina Mahal, Bhuj, it is showing that the olden days there is royal family, men are they are seated in a horse drawn carriages or palanquins. So like the systems even we can see in the museums. And museums also promote the local products, so it will help for the local artisans to sell their products. And there are package tours which are being developed around the museums. You can see that the places which you should visit around the Bhuj is being found in this sheet, and many of the tours and tourism packages are being developed, and what are the places you can visit in surrounding areas, all these things you can see in this chart. And this is the pic which I have taken in Chandigarh, that is the partition museum, where the architects of this partition and how India is being divided with Pakistan, all the information we can find in this museum. This is a pic taken by me. And social role of museums: sustainability and local development. They also promote the education and promote the economy, promotes peace and human rights, cultural democracy and inclusion. India, the museums which you should visit are Indian Museum Kolkata, National Museum New Delhi, Salarjung Museum Hyderabad, Indo-Portuguese Museum Fort Kochi, Bihar Museum Patna. Apart from this, there are innumerable of museums. In Delhi alone, you can find more than 50 museums in Delhi. Digitalization: because of COVID, we can see many of the people are confined to their homes, so they are not able to visit the museums, and museums are closed for the visitors. So now there is a need for digitalization. Museums have transitioned in a very nice mannerly, and nowadays we can have 360-degree tours which is made available for the visitors. And digitalization is a new form of cultural experience where a visitor can feel immersed in a real way of life, and they are visiting the museums, etc. So digital content is very essential to maintain the audiences confined to the homes and to share the information and knowledge. Computer-based documentation, collections management, and also promoting the scientific research. Digitalization is going to help for the scientific research too. Visitors are of different types. They are independent visitors, some are organized group of visitors, local, regional, national and international visitors, visitors to the museum websites, digital museums, school visits are very common. Museums are giving teacher training so that the teachers can guide their students in the museums. And museums also promote the shopping, like selling the books related to culture and national diversity. Virtual museum tours are available online in all over the worldwide. Many of the museums are offering virtual museum tours nowadays. You can avail this facility. If you like this video, subscribe, like and comment, share. Thank you.